Daffodils poem Figures of Speech. There is a hyperbole in the poem. They stretched in a never-ending line. A hyperbole is used to exaggerate statements. Also, there is a personification, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The flowers are described as living beings. Then there is imagery. I wandered lonely as a cloud. The poet imagines himself to be a cloud. Then there is a simile, continuous as the stars that shine. The daffodils are compared to stars in the Milky Way. Then there is assonance in the poem. An example is fluttering and dancing in the breeze.